This is a VA refinance alert. So what I'm seeing a lot of right now is I'm seeing that lenders are either doing mailers or they're talking to people on the phone and they're saying, oh, hey, I can get you this really, really low rate. And the borrowers are going, oh my gosh, that's great. I'd love to refinance again and get that rate lower. Yeah, so two big questions you need to ask whenever you're talking to a lender about refinancing. Number one, what is your origination fee? Okay. Number two, will this cost any discount or origination points? Yes, because what I'm seeing a lot of is I'm seeing people being promised really low rates. They're not being given any other information. And then it's in the disclosure package that they find out, oh my gosh, they're going to charge me $12,000 to get that lower rate. Seriously, seriously. So should a lender disclose on the phone that it's going to cost you money if you're going to get a certain rate? 100%, but they don't all do that. What they do is they're trying to get your application, they're trying to lock a rate, they send out the loan disclosures, and then it's buyer beware. Yeah, because as long as they send you the disclosures showing the points, then they've done what they're supposed to legally do. And that's the problem. People don't read loan estimates. As soon as you guys start asking the questions and reading the loan estimates, these type of practices will stop. And what I love about the military and military spouses especially is that when you guys get information and you learn it, you spread it, and the stuff stops. There's very few. I can't think of another group that's really as effective as the military in terms of information and sharing it amongst friends. I think it's awesome. So I'm going to link to an article that explains how to read a loan estimate, but just a quick overview. So number one, you're asking them, what are the origination points to get this rate? What are your fees to do the loan? Your fees, okay? Two big questions. Now, if they say, oh yeah, no points, no origination, okay, cool, but we still need to check. We need to read our loan estimate when our disclosures come out. So if you fill out a refinance application, within 3 days, they have to give you initial disclosures. Initial disclosures are mostly DocuSign now. They're 60 pages. They go way too fast. Everybody just clicks through them. You need to slow down. I know, it's hard, guys. It's hard even when I do my own loans. And you need to read the loan estimate, okay? It's 3 to 4 pages, but it's really page 1 and 2 where it's the most important parts to read. So you're going to look at the first page. You're going to look to see, is it the loan program that you were told? Like if you're looking for a 30-year fixed, is it a 30-year fixed loan? Secondly, is the rate locked? There's a big box on the right-hand side that says this rate is locked, no or yes, how long it's locked to, and what the rate is. You guys want to make sure it says yes. If you think that you're refinancing at a specific rate, it needs to say yes. If it says no, there's nothing that's been agreed to. Very important. The next thing is you're going to want to go to box A. Box A is all the lender fees. So if there's any points they're charging you to get the rate, if they have an origination fee, that's going to be in box A. Okay? Now, what is a point? A point is something you can use, like points have multiple purposes, and I have other videos on it, but the key thing is that, you know, if someone's trying to charge you 3 points on a $400,000 loan, that's $12,000. That does not generally mathematically make sense, but people don't do the math. Everyone goes, oh, my payment's lower, I don't even look at, no, we're gonna do the math, always do the math. And if you guys are like, I don't know, is this a good deal, is it not? Send it to me, send it to the team, we'll look at it. If it's a really great deal, I will be the first person to say, this is awesome. Reward them with your business. Reward them with your business. If it's not, I'm going to say, this is trash. You need to cancel and probably report them. Yeah, report them to the CFPB, to HUD. You know, when people are doing practices where they're not giving you guys the full truth, it's not okay. So the other box to look at is box J, which is lender credit. Sometimes you'll see in box A a charge, and then sometimes in J you'll see a credit. In these situations, I'm not seeing that. In these situations, I am seeing people being promised sweetheart rates, and then I am seeing box A just as fat as can be with charges. And that's what you guys want to watch out for. It's so important you pay attention. Just because someone says something on the phone, it does not mean anything. I do not care how nice they are. I do not care how wonderful they are. You need to check everyone, because sometimes even nice people make mistakes, and maybe it's a mistake, but in these cases, I'm not seeing mistakes. So I'm gonna have a link to that article for you guys, but once again, a big buyer beware on VA refinances right now. We've got some refinance chop shops where they refinanced everyone in the world last year, and they are hungry and desperate, and those are two things you do not want near your finances. So as always, I'm licensed in 46 states, happy to help you guys as much as I can, but also happy just to say awesome trash. Thanks for watching.